want to show you how to play Mansion Over the Hilltop, a classic gospel hymn by Ira Stanfield, enjoyed by people everywhere. If you want the letter notes for that, the key of C, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. It starts on the G. G, A, B flat, B, A, G, B, D, C, G, A flat, G. And we'll have a G, B, D, F, a G7, 1, 3, 5, 7, a C chord, then an F chord, F minor chord, C chord, and it'll sound like this. In the right hand, G, A, B flat, B, A, G, B, D, C, G, A flat, G. And you can hold that if you want, or you can go right into it. But here we go with the hands together. So hit that B, A, then you hit the F, the 7th of the chord. And when you hit this chord, you hit the C with the E and the G with the G, and then the F and the A with the A, and the F and the A flat with the A flat, and the E and the G with this G. So and then you go right into the melody. You know, the melody is E, F, F sharp, G, E, C, 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 B, A, G, E, G, G, F sharp, F, D, A, G, F sharp, G, E, F, F sharp, G, E, C, 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 B, A, G, E, G, A, B flat, B, A, G, B, D, C, and do that little fill again, G, A flat, G, and then we're into the chorus. C, 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 A, C, D, C, A, G, E. Now I've heard people sing it. They add a little B turn in there. But I didn't write it that way. I just wrote it straight. C, D, C, A, G, E, G, A, B flat, B, A, B, A, G, F sharp, G. Then fill with C, B flat, B to make that a C7. So you got, see there you've got 1, 3, 5, 7, the B flat right there, and then it does again. G, A, B flat, B, A, G, B, D, C, and do that fill again. And then you can just roll the chord at the end there. And then play as many verses as you want. So let's put the left hand with it. When we get this, we're going to be in tenths there. It'd be like thirds. Only we'll be in tenths. So we'll play the left hand right with it. And go right to a chord, C chord. We're in the key of C, but the introduction will start on a G. So we've got those tenths. And then go right to an F chord. We got E, F sharp, the C chord, E, and then go right to an F chord with the F in the center. You've got your F chord as F, A, C, but we're going to have the C down at the bottom there. Back to the C chord, C arpeggio, and then the chord. Now to the G. So you got the 7th twice because you got it in the melody, and then you switch places. So when you put the D in the melody, then fill in the 7th with the left hand. And then just arpeggiate that C to fill. E, G, C. Do that again. An F chord again. So So here you've actually got like a G ninth chord because you got G, B, D, F, A. Then we fill with C chord, F chord, F minor chord. So you come right up that, you walk that bass right up. C, D, E, F, A, C, F. So walk it right up to the F. So then arpeggiate the chord, F, A, C, and then hit the chord as a fill. Do the same with the C chord, C, E, G, C. There's that ninth again, G, B, D, F, and the A is up here. Or you can arpeggiate that or you can hit the chord. You're going to walk this C down to a B flat to get the 7th. And then we just repeat that same thing. And then at the end, just roll the chord. So you got C, E, G in the left hand and E, G, C in the right hand. Mansion Over the Hilltop. It's a classic gospel hymn by Ira Stanfield. Hope you enjoy playing it and singing it.